Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Novi Ariani. I'm from 7th Vocational High School of Semarang or SMK Negeri 7 Semarang, majoring in Civil Engineering or Building Construction Engineering, Sanitation and Maintenance. In the beginning of May 2021, I participated in a program in the 4th year in Vocational High School in Semarang, namely an internship. I did an internship at the Mutiara Arteri Regency Residential and Shop House project located at Gajah Street at Semarang. The project is a project from PT Mutiara Arteri Property, which is the one of the PT of the owner of MG Setos as well. Actually, the department advised me to look for projects that are building high-rise buildings such as hotel, apartment, or other high-rise public facilities. The goal is that what I learned in SMK about this material, I can directly witness the construction process. However, when my batch did an internship in Indonesia, especially Semarang, cases of COVID-19 were on the rise, so that in Semarang that we were very few large projects. So there were only a few groups that received housing projects, one of which was my group. But this didn't discourage me and my friends from studying there. There we got an apprentice supervisor named Mr. Hendro. He is a subcontractor in the conventional steel sector. We were taught new knowledge about conventional steel because at 7th Vocational High School of Semarang, we didn't get that knowledge. Sometimes during our break time, we are often treated to eating out by him. Mr. Hendro, last child, is very interesting to entering state 7th Vocational High School. Often Mr. Hendro asks questions about the requirements to be able to enter state 7 Semarang Vocational High School along with the cost required. Mr. Hendro has worked here for more than 20 years, so it's not surprising that he has a lot of knowledge and variety. For approximately 6 months, me, Nila, Elwas, and Radit interned at the place. We got a lot of experience and knowledge about the sciences in my department. At there, we were placed in the office because we helped the drafter. But we are very excited to ask questions so that for 6 months there, we can gain additional knowledge. Office employees are also happy to teach us, such as how to calculate the correct volume, make a checklist of buildings and format carefully, and they also sometimes teach us how to drive buildings in 3 dimensions. Not infrequently, my friends and I got assignment in the field with a surveyor named Mr. Slamet. Mr. Slamet is an office employee from East Java. He taught me and my friends how to operate TTS of or theodolite total station. This is the picture of theodolite total station. Actually, when we were at school, we learned this lesson during practice. But because we were laid off of approximately 2 years due to COVID-19 case in Indonesia, we didn't have time to learn the tools. We are very grateful to be able to do an internship here because we are finally able to learn the tool. The tool is used to determine the points to be used, such as point for foundations, walls, or the starting point for installing ceramics. I'm so grateful to be there. From this experience, I can conclude that studying in this department is very useful. I got advice from office employee. Don't be afraid to start something new. Many people say that majoring in civil engineering is better for men. In fact, almost 50% of the students of Seventh Vocational High School of Semarang who are and study in this department are female students, and many have achieved achievements. The engineering department of sanitation and maintenance building construction at the Semarang State Vocational High School often achieve achievements even at the national level. Therefore, if you want to enter the 7th Vocational High School Semarang, enter this technique. The school facilities are very complete. Okay guys, let me show you the picture of me and my friend. This is enough for my presentation. If I was wrong, I'm sorry. Goodbye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.